I'm Richard, host here, and today I'm bringing you all something a little different than we typically do. Normally you see us on podcasts, hunting videos, things of that nature, but today we're doing something a little different. Doing a product review and installation. People over at Motion Marine Customs in Georgia were kind enough to send this over to me, some custom EVA foam for my new EcoXGear Defender speaker. Pretty pumped about it, to be honest. I've been dealing with Hannah and Savannah over there through the entire process. Hannah's been my main point of contact, and then Savannah, she's kind of behind the scenes working on the design aspect of it, cutting the foam, from what I understand, things like that. Super nice people, super kind, super excited. Hannah said when she was growing up, her and her dad used to go look for airheads, so ties right into what we talk about here a lot. So I really appreciate them over there at Motion Marines Customs in Georgia. Like I said, more content to come with them, but for now we're going to get into this. We'll start with the unboxing here. I've already opened this box, but everything's back together to show y'all. They packaged it very well. Nothing crazy excessive, but got a pretty solid piece of some type of, like a flat stock cardboard they put in here to protect the package. Those of y'all that don't know what EcoXGear is, I'll pull that up here real quick too. So this is the Defender. Basically this is like a rival to Turtle Box, I guess you could say. There's quite a few reviews out there comparing the two. It's a waterproof, shockproof, dustproof, all this, that speaker. Recently got this thing, love it. My wife got it for me. It's been awesome, taking it out on the boat quite a bit, taking it out duck hunting for those morning boat rides in, or just setting up at the blind, 3, 4 a.m., a little bit of tunes while you're building blind. This is a lot of fun. But I wanted to do something a little different with it. Seen these guys on TikTok, reached out to them, and we got to talking back and forth, got in contact with Hannah, and now I'm here. So again, huge shout out to Motion Marines Customs. So let's get into this package, and then we'll kind of get into the installation of it. So nothing crazy as far as the way it's wrapped up or presented or anything. They are locally owned. It's like a father, daughter, and her friend company, from what I understand. They did some really cool stuff here on what they sent to us to start with. So basically the way this thing is going to be, it's going to have little foam stickers all the way around it. So to start with, this top plate right here. Okay, this is front speaker, button display, little top plate on the back. So that's the first piece I'm going to show y'all here. This is really cool. We have this on quite a few of our hats that we've offered since the start. It is our corner tang, and it even has our NW there in the side, right under the tang. That's pretty awesome. That's going to go right on top. It's going to look sick. Next, we got some ducks cupped. It's going to go right here on these side panels on both ends, behind the handle. Something like, if I can get it in there, something along those lines. Yeah, that's gonna go. Okay, so we got those for both ends, right and left end caps. And then for the back plate, the NW, got our split tail Enzer in there. That's sick. It was really cool working with them on the designs, because people that don't know types of artifacts and things, and arrowhead is generally a general shape to most people, but when you get to, designing and replicating true artifacts like this corner tang, replicating the flaking exactly as we've illustrated it, replicating the split tail Enzer is exactly as you would see it, that's really awesome. They took the time to not only listen to my personal input, my requests, sending them multiple renderings of different artifacts, and they were able to replicate that. This is routed. From what I understand, this is 2 different layers of foam. So this tan is on top of a black. This tan was routed so you could see the black. This piece tan's on top of black, but this corner tang is actually laser engraved onto this tan. So really cool. I love the fact that they were able to get the flaking in there and stuff. Just like on our table with the split tail we got here, that was laser etched. The guy that did that, he's since passed on, but really cool to see these super personal details and true to artifact details. Next, business card. Y'all check them out. Again, Motion Marine Customs. They're in Georgia. Got this sweet little bubble sticker. I don't know exactly what you call them, but that's their logo sticker. We'll add that to something. And then the rest of these are just the little stick-on deals. We'll go around that and show you how that all works. Okay. At the very bottom of this package is their own instruction manual. It labels every part for you. And they also have a checklist, so quality control checklist that's been hand marked. You can clearly tell that they went through every piece personally, marked it off and signed it, assuring that every piece to it is in there. Next pages, it breaks down per number where each piece goes. Next page, it talks about preparation, installation, and then how to care for it. The preparation, it calls to clean it thoroughly. They recommend using Windex and a clean microfiber towel. I've already done that. I've cleaned it, microfiber and Windex. And then piece by piece installing the foam. After that, it says, as far as cleaning and maintenance, the best practice is once it's installed to keep it out of the water for 12 to 48 hours. I'm not really going and throwing the speaker in the water. Might do that later on to do some review of it, but probably not. But it's going to have that time period to set up and tack together and actually adhere. And then lastly, just to clean it, it says to use a soap, a mild soap, a medium bristled brush or scrub brush, and to clean the foam always clean with the foam's brush grain. Okay, so as you can see, the foam has a grain to it, so you want to follow the grain whenever you're cleaning this. But yeah, so that's what's in the box. Again, super cool, super custom. Y'all can go check them out on TikTok. You can check them out on Facebook. They've got all kinds of awesome stuff on there. They can make it super custom. Like I said, I mean, this is a corner tang I illustrated on Procreate that we use for our merchandise. I was able to send them my PSD file, and they were able to replicate it through their CNC laser, and that's what we got. Same with the rest of this routed pieces. That's all custom. So if you've got custom stuff you want or great ideas, send them to them. They'll help you lay it out and then hopefully put together exactly what you're shooting for. But that being said, I'm going to get into installing this. We'll do a little time lapse, let y'all check that out, and then we'll look at the final product. Alright guys, so that was it. Kind of want to show y'all some things that I figured out as I was going through it. Now, it does say to basically mock it up, tape it with painter's tape, and check your spacing and then peel and stick. This thing has a lot of natural lines you can follow and get your spacing correct, especially up here on the top. I mean, there's lines you can center off of. And you can tell when they built these designs, I mean, they did a dang good job, especially on this piece. This piece follows these lines perfectly. Everything else is made to space. I would say it's probably about 1/4 inch to 1/8 inch spacing all the way around them. One thing I learned as you were going through them, they kind of lay out by the area you're filling in. So like this back side, if y'all can see that, these were these two, these were these two. These two were here and here, and so on and so forth. It's kind of a little bit of it's not confusing at all. It just kind of takes you a second to figure out where to start and go from. I would follow it top to bottom, just like they instruct on here. Yeah, pretty simple to do. Just make sure you follow it. Make sure you're getting the right pieces. When you're peeling your deals, if you're doing this at home, you can buy them from them, full speakers, turtle box, or EcoXGear, fully customized already. So you don't have to do any of this. But if you get it ordered to your door, make sure you're following the templates. Make sure your templates are oriented correctly when you're peeling your pieces off. So see how one side's flat, one side has a V. Make sure you have that correct when you're peeling your pieces off or reading your numbers, because they go in specific places based off of that. There's so many angles on this thing. Make sure it's right. I think they did a heck of a job on this, on these designs and templates. Super excited to use it and get it out there. I'm super appreciative of them for trusting us to, kind of help get their name out a little bit. Super cool product. Let y'all check it out one last time. Really easy to install. Just took a little bit of paying attention, figuring out. Yeah, I think this thing looks sick. This color combo looks awesome with this speaker, in my opinion. I'm really pumped about it. But yeah, thank you all for tuning into this. Remember, check out Motion Marine Custom. Talk to Hannah, Savannah up there. They will take care of y'all. Super great customer service, really cool people. Can't wait to have them on the podcast soon, talk more about their experience in the outdoors and artifacts, things of that nature. Once again, thank y'all Motion Marine Customs for this. We'll see y'all later.